Hello, welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is roti flatbreads. As normal, the full list of ingredients can be found down below. Now whether you call this a roti or a paratha, I'm not quite sure, but this is how we make it. Okay, the first thing you do is put the flour, baking soda and salt in a bowl, followed by a cup of water, and using your hands mix together. When the flour mixtures all come together, remove from the bowl and place onto a well-floured surface. Then divide the dough into 4 pieces. You can use a dough scraper for this, that is if your wife hasn't taken it outside to clean the frost off the car windscreen in the mornings. Yes you did, now you know you did. After you've divided the dough, cover and leave stand for 30 minutes on the worktop. When the 30 minutes is up, it's time to do a bit of rolling. Place each piece of dough onto a floured surface and using a rolling pin, roll into rough circles. I would say perfect circles, but rough is all we could manage today. When the dough's been rolled out, it's time to spread a layer of batter across the top surface. Then it's time to make a cut from the centre to the outside and fold over as you see here. Then form into a ball shape. Then simply repeat for the remaining dough pieces. When you've done this, take each ball and roll out to a thickness of about 1/4 inch and you're ready to cook. And to cook these flatbreads, heat a splash of oil in the pan or a knob of butter. Then add the flatbreads one at a time and cook until golden brown, turning once. How hard can that be? Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like. Hopefully we'll see you soon in the next one. Bye for now.